Hello. After patient has got the treatment from the hospital, you may create the bills for the outpatient or the inpatient, depending on the type of the bill which you want to create. To create the bill, just go to the billing engine, select the type of the invoice which you want to create. Suppose I am considering that patient was admitted as inpatient, so I'll select this inpatient invoice. Now here the new form opened, and here you just need to select the patient for which you want to create the bill. I'll select the patient code which was P114, and as you can see it got selected and captured the details of the patient. I load the bill first. I'll say I clicked on this button and the bill got loaded now, and all the treatment which the patient has received from the hospital, now it got populated over here. So for, as you can see, that all the prices and the discounts and each and everything description of the treatment is got loaded over here. To prepare the bill, you just need to select these treatments which for which you want to pay the bill. After selecting this, give the date. I have given the date now, and after giving the date, you just need to add this document. If you want to adjust some amount, or if you want to do some other manipulations in the bill, you can do right now at this level also. If you want to give some type of discount, you can give here. Now if you want to adjust the amount, like according to insurance or some other for some other purpose, you can also adjust it. I'm going to just add this or save this document. I'll add this, and as the system gets the message that it got added into the system successfully, I'll reopen it to show you. Now I've reopened it. Now to reflect into your accounts or reflect in your system, just click on this button, that create invoice, so that a form will open called invoice, where all the treatment which the patient has got from the hospital will be populated over here. Now you just need to confirm all the treatments got populated over here, and after that just select the tax, that is the service tax. You can select the exempted as well. If it's exempted, I'm selecting it as service tax right now. I've selected the tax codes. Now I'll give the location over here. Now as I have added all the things, I have confirmed with all the treatment which the patient got received. Now I just need to add this so that it will be reflected into your system. I'll just add this or save it. So as the system gets the message that it got updated into your system now, and it got reflected in your system. So this was the patient invoice, and it got reflected in your system now. Now you have seen that how to create the inpatient invoice so that it will be reflected in your system, and in your accounts as well. If you so that it will be easier for you. If you want to see that what the actual journal entries or the account reflections have done on that particular for that patient's transaction, just go to financial module and click or select the journal entry. This form will get open, and you can go to the last record. As you can see that this is the patient, that is the Mishra, for which the treatment has been done on from the hospital, and this was the amount which was been reflected into your accounts. So it is, this is the generative which got automatically added into your system now. So this is the, so it reflects your whole accounts and each and every chart of account, each and every account, so that which reflects in your each and every reports. So this was your inpatient invoice. Now end of demo.